Hello everyone! Today we're going to talk about the Drawing Center. The Drawing Center is located here at the back half of our classroom, and for me it's going to be our first center that we're really going to kind of dive in and learn more about. At the Drawing Center, we're going to talk about what is in it, how you can use it, and we're also going to talk about artists and their ideas. So first we'll start with this chart here. It says, what do artists draw? And this chart is kind of helping us remember, where do artists get their ideas? It's similar when we're writing and we're talking about where do authors get their ideas for their stories. So let's look at some places that artists can get their ideas. Artists can get their ideas by drawing what they see. So this means you can draw from a photo, you could draw from a picture, you could draw from a book, you could draw from a poster you see in the wall, you could draw from an item you see in the room. For instance, our mannequins. The mannequins, if you pose them, I would pick up a mannequin if I wanted to draw a person. So if I wanted to draw and kind of see how the body moves and how the joints move, you could pose the mannequin, set it at your table, and then draw what you see. Another thing is artists draw what they remember. So this could be a memory, it could be something you had in a dream, it could be, something that happened to you over the weekend. You can draw what you remember. Another thing artists do is they could draw what they imagine. This is the fun one where you can experiment and you can dream and you can draw castles in the clouds with purple rainbows on top and a little crazy creature, the animal that you've created. You can really have a lot of fun and go very far by using your imagination and drawing things from what you see inside your head. Artists also draw what they feel, and this one is really important to me because feelings can be really strong and feelings can be nice and feelings can also be hard or they could be scary, and we know that artists draw from those feelings, and we know we've talked about other artists before that had some really strong hard feelings and they were able to make art out of their feelings and it helped them feel better. Another thing artists do is they make marks. Mark making is like how you test out a material. It's how an artist plays around with something. So you could try out a new material that you haven't tried before and maybe make a couple different types of lines or marks, and you'll discover that those are going to lead to textures and other really exciting things. So when we're back at the Drawing Center and when we're in the room, it's good to think about where artists get their ideas from. Because if you're ever stuck, and it happens, if you have a project that you are doing on your own and I'm not giving you a ton of direction because I want you to figure it out for yourself, come to this poster. It will help